All right, so this is the second update I'm doing about my Tesla bullish strategy, which is where I am selling at the money puts because I am bullish the stock and want to get assigned. So I really like the way this chart is shaping up. We have broken that downtrend that has been in place for quite some time. We are above the 200-day moving average. So guys, Tesla is in a bull market now. I'm looking at this gap here, which is around 260. And if we hop into the weekly, that sort of coincides with where the 100-day moving average is around 250. So I think that 250, 260 range is a really viable target. So here is a quick P&L update. I sold that June 9th 195 at the money put last week, collected $5, and I closed it out for 63 cents on Friday. That netted me $4.37. Now I didn't end up selling any puts on Friday just because Tesla is in oversold territory right here on the RSI, and it's bumping up against this 215 resistance, and I just felt that we might get a little pullback to around the 200 level and maybe the 180 level if we're really lucky. Now this has also been a good learning experience for me because what I should have done when I started selling these puts, which was around here, the stock was around 175. If I had just bought 100 shares and I rode it up to this 215 level, that would have been about $4,000 I would have made versus the $8.69 of just selling premium. Now, truth be told, I did not expect the stock to have such a move like this. I really thought it was going to consolidate a little bit. You know, the Qs looked like they were going vertical. So I was thinking to myself, okay, if the stock consolidates, I can collect that premium and get assigned at a decent price. But, you know, the market doesn't always give you what you want. All right, so what is the plan going forward? Well, first, we're just going to see how Tesla and the overall market trades this week. There's not too much going on the economic calendar this week. It's more next week with the Fed meeting on Wednesday. But since we identified those areas of support around 200 and 180, the 180 there's just not enough premium there, not enough meat on the bone to make that worth our while. But the 200 strike that goes out 2 weeks, it looks like we can sell for close to $3. So that's a play that I'm going to be interested in putting on. And obviously, if the stock comes down, those premiums are going to go up, making that bet a little more enticing. I don't feel as convicted as selling at the money puts when the stock is near resistance. But like I said, if we get a little dip down to 200, then I'm definitely going to be in there selling those at the money. Or maybe this time I'll just buy the stock outright.